Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY, we're going to make 2 floral trays using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's projects. For project number 1, I'm going to use this beaded wood tray. You could find it where the picture frames are, and these floral wallpaper decals. That's where all the wallpaper section is. It's actually by the picture frames as well. I'm going to take one of them only, and I'm going to place it in the center of the tray. I'm going to try and keep it flush to the beads because I want it to look like the flowers are actually coming out from the beads. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to attach it. The sticky side is pretty good, so there's no need to add any other type of adhesive. And just with my nail, I'm going to make sure that the wallpaper goes into where the beads are. So let's finish this part. Now I'm going to use these wooded beads. They're also from the Dollar Tree. They're in the Crafter Square section. And I'm going to use them as the little feet for this tray. Now the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue them on the underside. I'm going to use 4 of them. 2 on each long side and 2 on each of the shorter sides. So let's continue with this. For the last step, I'm going to use this Americana Triple Thick Gloss Glaze to give this tray a beautiful shine. I'm only going to do 2 smooth and thin coats, and once I let it dry, this piece will be done. So let's finish. For project number 2, I'm going to take this wooded oval piece of wood. It's also from the Dollar Tree. You can get it in the Crafter Square section. And I'm going to turn this also into a cute little floral tray. I'm going to use this piece of floral wallpaper. It is from the Dollar Tree. They come in those sheets. And this is what we're going to use to turn over or give this little piece of wood a makeover. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the shape of this wood piece onto the wallpaper, and then I'm going to cut it. So let's continue with this part. Now that I cut and traced the piece that I need, I'm going to basically just put it on top of the wood, lay it flat, and just make sure that it sticks properly. The sticky side to this wallpaper is pretty good, so there's no need for any other adhesives. So let's continue wallpapering this little piece of wood. So now I'm going to use beads for this one as well, just like project number 1, and I'm going to use these to be the little feet. And I'm going to do the same thing we did with the first one. I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to attach the beads to the underside in order for them to be the little feet for this tray. So let's continue. The last step for this project is I'm going to take some Mod Podge glitter, and in order to give it a little extra pop and for it to match the wallpaper, I'm going to use the Mod Podge glitter all around the edge of the tray and on the little beads themselves. This way it gives a little extra pop and it matches with the gold leafing that is on this wallpaper. So let's finish this part. So now both of these projects are done. Super quick and super cute. You can do two different little trays with items from the Dollar Tree and you can use them for so many things. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And don't forget to hit that little bell to get notified when I post new videos here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.